When you think about a career in welding, what do you imagine? Welding is part of the manufacturing industry, and jobs are in demand. Employers are looking for skilled workers who they can trust to get the job done. Butler Tech can get you started for free. With the help of Butler Tech's Welding Technology program, you can succeed in a manufacturing technologies career.
I'm James Drake, and this is Welding at Butler Tech. In welding, we learn all of the different metal transfers and arc types. A couple of the different joints that we do here are the lap joint like this. You have your outside corner joint right here, your butt joint, which is put a space in between two pieces of metal, and you just weld the gap.
You'll get hands-on experience using state-of-the-art, industry-standard equipment as you learn to weld and cut like a pro. Can you see yourself in a field working with your hands, joining metal to metal, and innovating ways to build our communities? Well, discover welding technology at Butler Tech and pursue a career that's right for you.